Hey, I'm standing here with Wagner. They just ordered a machine. He's going to tell us a little bit of why they did it and what the machine, what problem it was going to solve for them. So why'd you look at us? Why'd you consider the FlexCNC for your guys' application?
We have so many long length applications with our CNC machine centers that we weren't be able to do. We'd have 2 or 3 setups. We really feel that this is going to improve our efficiency, productivity on our long length jobs. We run up to 20-foot hole drilling applications and things, and this is the answer for us.
Yeah, oh good. What was Brian helping you out with?
Brian was just helping me get some measurements on installation, how much the machine weighs, what power requirements, what air requirements, so that we're ready when it arrives.
Yeah. And we'll come up and do the install and any additional training. Are we going to do that on site with you guys?
We're sending 3 people to take advantage of
next
your
week, right?
Right, on the 12th, your flex drill training, and then you're going to come in. I think the delivery I got is in about a month from now.
Okay.
And you're going to come there and install it and do some in-house training. We're really looking forward to it.
Yeah, that'll be fun. Well, good deal. Well, thanks a lot. We appreciate the business, and we'll make it a great install.
And we look forward to working with you.
Cool. Thank you.